everyone, welcome back to a new video, and this is the day 3. Today we are going to Dudhsagar, but first let's explore the main attractions in Goa. In North Goa you would find Baga Beach, Kalangutta Beach, Kadalam Beach, Snow Park, Aguada Fort, River Cruise and Donapula Viewpoint. North Goa thrives with lively nightlife and bustling crowds, perfect for partygoers and water sports enthusiasts, while South Goa offers tranquility and secluded spots, catering to those seeking a serene getaway, especially for families. And there are many luxurious resorts in South Goa as well. And there are many tourist spots like Kolava Beach, Varka Beach, Cabo de Rama Fort, Dudhsagar Falls, and many more. Now it's time to take a cinematic view of the Club Mahindra Resort. So let's say bye bye to this resort and move on to see the beautiful Dudhsagar, one of the best waterfalls in Goa. Dudhsagar is around 60 kilometers from Varka Beach. It is nearer from South Goa as compared to North Goa. We were in South Goa near Club Mahindra Varka Resort and we hired a cab from a nearby service to visit Dudhsagar and other attractions. They charged us 2000 rupees for 80 kilometers and 20 rupees per kilometer after that. You will get most tour buses operating from North Goa, starting from Kalangutta or Panaji early in the morning. The package includes Dudhsagar and Spice Garden with lunch and costs around 1800. After reaching Dudhsagar's taxi stand, you need to hire a jeep from the local association, and you can do that at the ticket counter or online at Dudhsagarjeeps.com. The cab driver emphasized that there is no rush and you can easily get ticket for the Jeep Safari, but somehow we felt that booking the ticket online would be a wise option. So we booked the Jeep Safari for 4 of us in online while going towards Dudhsagar. It costed us 25 rupees each, and turned out to be the best decision taken that day. When we arrived at Dudhsagar taxi stand, we encountered a lengthy queue already waiting for the tickets since morning. We got there around 11:30 a.m. only to find out that the day's booking were full. Those without online bookings had to leave empty-handed, but as we had booked online, we waited for our turn to hire a jeep for the safari. It took us 2 hours and 15 minutes before we get our jeep at the ticket counter. The cost was 500 rupees for the jeep and the 40 rupees for the life jacket before boarding the jeep. After driving 2-3 kilometers into the jungle, we had to pay another 100 rupees per head for the forest entry fee. Surprisingly, at the ticket counter, they don't accept online or credit card facility, but at the forest entry, you need to pay the amount by card only. So please ensure you carry your debit card with you during the jungle safari. The one-way journey to Dudhsagar spans approximately 45 minutes, navigating river waters, muddy roads, and dense jungle. Despite the waiting period, this safari experience was absolutely superb, making up for any early inconveniences. The trek to Dudhsgar Falls takes around 20 minutes and is thrilling, featuring small bridges with cascading waterfall, streams. Be cautious of slippery rocks and the presence of monkeys in the area, adding to the adventurous experience. The sight from the base of the falls with a passing train atop the bridge instantly brought to the mind the iconic scene from the Bollywood movie Chennai Express. Despite the 1 hour limit to stay at the fall, we were fortunate to catch this train view during our visit. The overall experience was truly magnificent, making the entire day's journey, even with the 150-minute wait and no lunch, completely worthwhile. Because we had to wait 150 minutes at the ticket counter before our jeep safari, by the time we returned it was 5 pm. Sadly, we had to cancel our plans to visit other sites like Old Goa Church and Mangushi Temple. However, since Shanta Durga Temple was en route to Madgaon, we decided to visit it immediately. The Shanta Durga temple in Goa beautifully merges Indo-Portuguese architecture, honoring goddess Shanta Durga and reflecting a harmonious blend of Eastern and Western influences. It stands as a symbol of peace and cultural significance in Goan history. So this is our accommodation, Acacia Palms Resort in Kolva Beach. So this is our room 506, and as the door opens we see the bathroom, and just opposite to that we see a cupboard. In the cupboard you find a locker, and this is the bathroom where you get a very big size mirror with all the other amenities. And next you find a TV, electric kettle, table and a chair. Next you find a sofa cum bed. They can arrange you a bed as well, and here's a very large bed. Next, when you open the balcony you find a table, 2 chairs, and next you would get a poolside view right there. Now it's time to go and visit the Kolva beach and have a little bit of dinner as well there. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata, see you soon.